Today we are going to change the hood lift support. Since you can see, like it's not staying up there, so we need to change. Okay, before we change this lift support for the hood lift support, make sure you have somebody to hold the hood. And the only thing to change this, we would need to have just a small screwdriver to take those pins. You can see this pin. You have to take this off and take this one off. That's it. Okay. Right here. Need to take this pin off right here and then pull this out like this. And same thing for this one right here, and pull this off. And make sure you just have to see this one. You just have to press it. And same thing over here. Yes. Okay, then same thing for this pin, and then take it out. That's it. We have the new one right here. See, you have to just simply place this one right here. Okay, and the other one. That's it. So easy.